The university. Right, the book. Remember Lucas said in the basement, the path is strewn with roses. Roses. Wherever will I find roses here? It's locked. Oh, it's enormous. But where have the books gone? There, the banners. Flowers. Yes, there are roses. I'm on the right track.
How many days have we been here?
I've lost count.
I can't even tell the difference between day and night anymore. Shut up in here.
It'll soon be over. Vitalis has brought back a young lad to open the last door.
No rats.
Days we've been here. And the
Strange.
Great Visitor himself is coming to help us. Gonna be quite an event.
One can never have enough books, if one can read.
It's all just pagan stuff.
The Sanguinus Itinera is a sacred book. The knowledge it contains goes back to the dawn of man, and this knowledge could save us all. So keep searching, and concentrate on looking for books with a red.
The book, the Sanguinus Itinera. They're looking for it too. I'd better be quick.
At least those fucking rats
There are the
come out of
roses.
their hole.
I'm on the right track.
I'm telling you, next time he talks to me like that, I'll stuff one of his bloody books in his gob.
Yeah, with a red cover. It's his favorite scent.
The book. Another brilliant idea from the alchemist. There's something shady about those guys.
Too true. There's parts of the Bastion I daren't go anymore. The things they're doing there.
Yeah, let's not talk about it.
I'll have to get rid of the guards so I can get past. Ah, there they are. If I use the rats.
son. Let's go see.
Watch yourself.
Nothing.
Crazy. You thought you were so smart. What was that? Again? Hey, stop!
This stuff, will it end up covering everything?
Move it, blacksmith. There's work waiting for you.
We're really scraping the barrel if Vitaly stoops to catching a beggar like this.
A prisoner.
Oh well. Perhaps they'll finally open this door.
I can't get past. Too many guards.
Earth did the rats do that? Imagine the force you need to get through that thickness.
I can imagine what it will do to your arm.
The hole's no use anymore. They've blocked it up, can't you see? They know exactly what they're doing, little bastards.
What was that noise? I'm gonna take a look.
Be careful.
Nothing to see here.
Noted.
I can't get past. I have to get the rats out of the room.
What you doing lying around, eh? So that's where you were hiding.
seen any roses for a while. Hope I haven't taken a wrong turn. Not bad. Not bad at all.
News of our young Hugo de Rune.
Lord Nicholas continues his search.
In which case, the only thing that can help us find the book is the son of a smith. You built that door with your father. Now, you'll open it for us.
We were asked to build that door precisely to keep out scum like you.
I am the Grand Inquisitor Vitalis Benevent. You have no idea how I have suffered. Look what I endure for you. What is your name, boy?
Roderick.
I do not wish for Roderick to expire before he has opened this door. Do not commit the same mistake you made with his father. Take him.
Quickly, I mustn't lose them.
Even when the Grand Inquisitor talks
Roderick, looks like we both have problems.
Blood's getting weaker. How long can the episanguis contain the bite?
As long as his fate allows.
What was that? That wasn't.
Who are you? Guards!
Roderick, looks like we both have problems.
Blood's getting weaker. How long can the episanguis contain the bite?
As long as his faith allows.
So he's the one who made the door.
Yes, and he'll open it. With the book and the Darun kid, Vitalis can complete the conjuration. Then we'll be saved from the plague. Hadignem.
Ad Lucem.
Oh, well said.
Move it! Now listen to me. Me and my friends spent some time in the jails of the Bastion, making the heretics talk. You're pretending to be tough now, but believe me, you'll blubber like the rest of them when we cut deep enough.
Can't wait.
So, recognize it? Remind you of your dad?
Don't you talk about my father.
Oh, really? You want to play that game?
Get to work!
You've ruined the floor.
Heavy armor. Oh, there has to be a way.
Come on, move it! We need that book!
I've been wanting to do this for 2 days. I don't know who you are, but thank you.
We need to leave. The other guards must have heard that. What's that door?
A special order. My father's masterpiece.
And do you know how to open it? Because that would be a real help.
Hey, you there! Guard!
It would help us a lot.
It'll take a bit of time.
Carry on. I'll keep them back. Heavy armor. Oh, there has to be a way.
I've been wanting to do this for 2 days. I don't know who you are, but thank you.
We need to leave. The other guards must have heard that. What's that door?
A special order. My father's masterpiece.
And do you know how to open it? Because that would be a real help.
Hey, you there! Guard!
It would help us a lot.
It'll take a bit of time.
I don't want to rush you, but they're still coming, and it looks like a fire has broken out.
Almost there. I've been wanting to do this for 2 days! I don't know who you are, but thank you.
We need to leave. The other guards must have heard that. What's that door?
A special order. My father's masterpiece.
And do you know how to open it? Because that would be a real help.
Hey, you there! Guard!
It would help us a lot.
It'll take a bit of time.
Carry on. I'll keep them back. Heavy armor. Oh, there has to be a way.
Was that?
I've been wanting to do this for 2 days! I don't know who you are, but thank you.
We need to leave. The other guards must have heard that. What's that door?
A special order. My father's masterpiece.
And do you know how to open it? Because that would be a real help.
Hey, you there! Guard!
It would help us a lot.
It'll take a bit of time.
Carry on. I'll keep them back. I don't want to rush you, but they're still coming, and it looks like a fire has broken out.
Almost there. Come on. That's it! Hurry up!
The alarm's been sounded. They won't let us go. Hey, do you know where we're going?
Don't think! Run!
One dead end and we're finished. We need to hide.
No, we need to slow them down.
Will that do it?
It'll have to.
Right. We're in the basement. It's a start. Roderick, I need the book.
What on earth is so special about this bloody book?
It could save my little brother. Please.
I don't know where it is. The only thing I know is that they tortured my father to death for it. And I'm gonna kill them.
They killed my parents too.
We might get out of here together.
All right. What about the book?
Just you wait and see. There's lots of them around here.
Wow. Another library. Underneath the library.
Forbidden books. That's why we built the door.
So the Sanguisitanera has to be here. All I know is it has a red cover.
Look! Up there!
Roses. That must be it. I'll have to climb up. Could you lend a hand?
All right, all right. Interesting.
The shelves form a path.
That's your route to the book. Easy. Maybe I spoke too soon. I need to act as a counterbalance. I'll stay over here. Tell me which lever you want me to pull.
All right. Now!
All right?
You said you'd act as a counterbalance.
I did. It gave way.
Right. We'll have to be very careful. Perfect. Oh, let's leave that where it is. By the way, my name's Amicia, and you're Roderick, right?
You know a lot of stuff, Amicia.
Who hired you to do the door?
Yeah, monks of a sort. They didn't talk much. My father designed it. He was the master. I was just the apprentice.
Monks of a sort, watching over the Sanguinis Itinera. Stop.
Fine for me?
Now!
All right. Move, Amicia. You're in the way.
No, stop.
Yeah.
It's too quiet. Where did the soldiers go?
Too low. We need something underneath to stop it falling down.
Come on, move!
Hey, don't injure yourself. You want me to?
No, my brother. I owe him this. For all the times I wasn't there for him.
Yeah? Well, you'll have a hard time bringing the book back with a broken arm.
Now!
Fine for me? Well, if that ain't love, I don't know what is.
Right, let's get this over with. Go on!
All right?
That's it. Stop!
Right away.
Now!
Yeah. Get off it then.
Stop! That's it. Nearly there.
Let's go. We've been here too long.
Got it. I can barely believe it.
You'd better believe it and get back quickly. They'll be here any second.
I know you. Amicia de Rune. We have been watching your family for quite some time now. Waiting for the macula in your brother's blood to finish its slumber. You could say, I have watched you grow up.
No. We have no chance.
Little idiot. What do you expect to do with that book?
Save my brother!
With your brother and that book, I can save the
That's
world,
enough.
Amicia.
Come on, this way!
Guards! You may run, but no one can escape their own blood.
You seem to know each other well.
He destroyed my life.
I know what that's like. Ready? It's gonna be hell out there.
Ready as I'll ever be. Let's get out of these corridors quick.
Couldn't agree more.
Let's go and find the others.
Where the hell are they?
We've certainly stirred them up.
Quiet! I can't risk losing this book.
How did it get so bad so quick?
Heavy armor. We're stuck.
He's looking the other way. I can take him.
You sure?
It'll be my pleasure. Whenever you're ready.
You got it, Roderick.
That's for my father.
Wow. Do you do that a lot?
No, but I'm starting to like it.
Right, that's enough, I'm off. You stay here. I'll go and see how they're doing.
Let me know what the hell's going on.
He's alone.
But he will see me coming.
I could distract him.
What's all that noise?
Take care of him.
You're going to pay.
Well done.
He won't be getting up anytime soon. Trust me.
Lucas, he has trouble with his eyes sometimes. These might help.
I don't like hanging around doing nothing like this.
One each.
Run
All right.
turn up. Someone
I'll
needs
take the
to be
one
here
with
to
the
catch
helmet.
them.
Fine. The guard.
You don't need to tell me twice.
So there you are. Time for you.
Perfect.
Good job.
I wouldn't like to have been on the end of that.
Tell me it leads outside.
It leads outside.
Fresh
I
air.
can smell fire. Oh, shit.
Oh no. Fire. Did we?
Fire is spreading. Is the Grand Inquisitor still inside?
How do I know? Go and see. And give the order to evacuate.
This is good. We should make the most of it.
Ah, fucking rats. That's all I need.
The rats, the shield. Oh, we can't touch him, Roderick.
Wait. When they took me to the Bastion to question me, I saw the alchemists making some stuff they called the Extinguish. It puts flames out.
I was going to save it for later, but...
It's worth a try.
Just need to aim at the fire.
What? This could change a lot of things.
Especially for them.
All the books are going to burn.
It's not your fault. Think about your book.
Yes, we have to get out of here. I have to find Hugo.
I reckon those kids started the fire so they can slip away quietly. They're gonna be sorry when I catch them.
Amicia, his torch.
We'll head straight for the fire.
It's the only way.
You're on fire! You're on fire! Huh? No! No! Hey, you all right? Is there anyone still inside?
Ah. Yeah, I thought I'd had it. It's like hell in there.
We're supposed to have reinforcements. What the hell are they doing?
2 guards. We need to get one of them out of the way. Amicia, the helmets.
Something hit me. Watch yourself.
What's going on there?
This way, man. You're on the top. I'll get some.
This is... Are you here? have gone off. No point
One's for
worrying
you.
myself out.
Come on me.
That's enough now! It's over! This is not over, you! The Lord will strike you down! Get over here! Now! Back my hand. I'll find you sooner or later. Let's stop wasting time and let the others get them.
Wait for me here. I'm staying on. Follow me. Don't make any noise.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Enough!
Do we really have to go in there?
Yes.
It's already hot.
What a bloody mess.
Oh, what? What are we going to do?
Follow me and look after your book. They're here. Don't worry about them.
Oh, Lord!
I need a hand here, huh? Come on, come on! You hear me? Wait! Look! It's burning behind here. Stay out of the way!
What are you doing?
Opening it!
Roderick! You're right!
Run! We're nearly there! Take to the left! Come on! Follow me!
Look, it's her. Amicia! So you succeeded?
Here, Have to warn you, smells a bit burnt.
Who's he?
Roderick. But shh.
The Sanguinis Itinera.
What is this book about?
It's the story of a little boy who's going to get a lot better now.
Right, I'm starving. Anyone else?
Me?
Come and eat then. I think we deserve it. You too. Coming.